Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move kickball slide, often just referred to as a kickball slide. If you know how to do a first move already, that's really helpful. Knowing how to lead and follow kicks and slides and things would be really helpful, so I'll put a link to all of that in the description below so you can go back and look at it if you need to. But we're going to jump straight in. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. So the key thing we're looking for in this move is that you've got a kick. Guys will be doing left, ladies will be doing right, and it goes kick. And then we go down, but we only put the ball of the foot down as we close the back foot in and sink and then leap. So it's a long step and slide the front foot back into a twist out. Okay, so the feeling is kick, ball, close, slide. Okay, so let's break it down. We go man's left, lady's right, starts like a standard first move. We go back, we come in, picking up the shoulder blade or the hip, both are going to work. I tend to go for the shoulder blade for this. We twist the ladies out, and for once, the guys are going to weight their back foot. So on the twist out, we feel very symmetrical, and it's a really good idea, if you can at this point, to pick up the full width of the lady's back with that right arm. It's easier to lead everything from there. So from here, we're going to go forwards if we're taking a step, but we're going to lift it to get the kick. We're going to pop it down. We're going to lead the close without putting the heel into it. We're going to go slide back, drawing in, twist out, and in, under and face, return and back. From the other side, so you get the other angle, and we'll talk numbers at the same time. So we go back 1, in 2, twist out 3, kick 4, slide 5, twist out 6, in 7, turning 8, facing 1, returning 2, and back 3. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, kick, ball, slide. We go back, in, twist, kick, slide, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. And that's it. Hope you make that one work for you and find it works out nicely on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Doing all those things means you get told what's going on, and it promotes the channel, so it helps everybody find what we're doing. And finally, there's a music recommendation on the end, something nice in the windows in the last few seconds of the video of something nice to practice this to. We'll just send you off to a music video, which would be good to try this out to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.